Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must, right? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some air fried whole fish, and let's just take a look of what is happening here. Here I have my 4 little fishies. Hey fishy, fishy, fishy. And of course I have some black pepper and some salt, and I'm just gonna give that a mix, and then we are just gonna sprinkle, 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 right? And then rub all over these little fishies, right? So of course, if you didn't get your fish scaled at the fish market, the fishmonger, then you scale it at home and you wash it up and you make sure it's nice and clean, right? You pat them dry as much as you can, and then this is what you're gonna do. So after you pat them dry, then of course you open them up, get some of this black pepper and salt inside. Now you don't want to put too much seasoning or too much black pepper and salt all over it, right? You just want to do enough, even though we're putting it in the air fryer. But I guess it goes the same if you're gonna, as long as you're gonna fry it. Don't do too much seasoning, then it's going to look burn up even though it's not burnt, right? So yeah, you want to go ahead, and now I'm going in with my all-purpose seasoning, your fish seasoning, whatever you have. You can just put a little on there. You can go even more, right? Like add more seasoning on the inside of the fish, right? Since nobody not really gonna see that part, I normally go a little extra on that part, but on the outside, just take your little time and add some seasoning, right? And then rub it in. Make sure you get it rub the head and everywhere, the tail, get it all over it. And then that's us. Bam, we are done. And this piece right here, this is the last piece that I'm seasoning. I'm just showing you laid out right there, and I'm gonna rub it all over it, and bam, I'm done. Here it is, all done, all done. So what I want to show you right here, so when you're choosing your fish, make sure the eyeball, the eye right there, is clear, just like this, or even prettier, right? You need clear eyes. It shows that the fish is fresh. So if it's glossy, or what I should say, cloudy, if the fish eye is cloudy, that is some stale fish for you, right? Unless you put it in some vinegar or something like that and the eye get cloudy, which it would be after the fact. But when you're gonna buy fish, make sure it's not cloudy. So yeah, here I'm putting the fish in the air fryer, cover it up, and then I'm gonna take it down, turn it on, and then I'm gonna take the temp down to 18 minutes. And so not the temp, I'm taking it down to 18 minutes, right? And this is after 18 minutes, after, so it goes to 9 minutes, sorry, at 204 degrees. And then of course the air fryer will tell you to turn the food. So we cover it back up and it continues for the rest of the 9 minutes. And that is us. So it was 18 minutes total. And yeah, voila, this is us, right? And now let's take it out. Look at it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Vibe Summer was very surprised at the results of these fish, trust me, right? Because I didn't know what to expect. Because I never fry fish in the air fryer like that, right? Normally it is on the stove top, of course. But I was like, why not? Let's try it. But yeah, let's put the other 2 fishes in there. This time I am spraying it with some oil, a little, spray. So I wanted to see how it look with it, how it look without it, right? And it was basically the same, honestly. But yeah, I would say spray it with the oil. I would say that. Yeah. And this is us, Vibe Fam. Turn it over and do it again, right? 9 minutes, bam. And that's gonna be us all done. And we are all done. The entire 4 fishy is done just like that. Look at all 4 of them looking so good. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have 4 beautiful. Tell me they are not looking gorgeous. Them look like them fry on the stove top, right? And trust me, Vibe Sam, the taste is almost the same. Like I was like, no, seriously. It don't taste no much different than it being fried on the stove top. And I was saying to my husband, like, listen, yeah, this is it. I mean, because like when you do it on the stove top, you use a lot of oil and whatever. So I mean, if you're on a healthier path, this is the way to go. Look at it, beautiful, nice and golden brown. Just look absolutely gorgeous. Just all the us. It looks amazing and it tastes amazing too, right? Look like it actually fry on the stove, top. But thank you so much for watching, Vibes Fam, and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and run over upon Instagram and follow me. Thank you. God bless you.